Hi guys, it's a Fairy Craft Festival here at Lavinia Stamps. Should we take a little look and see what's going on? Okay, check out our lovely Lavinia store. We can find any kind of gifts or home or crafts. Lots of magical, wonderful things. Everyone is currently watching our wonderful DT do fantastic demo, so let's go have a look. Testing. Here's our fantastic dough rice and our wonderful colourful Emma Jo here in the corner. Fantastic designs, and it's super duper busy. We all happy? Yay! And here is our fantastic Kevinator the Resonator with our fantastic clay boards and alcohol inks. Great for using as coasters, fridge magnets, and he's busy at work. And we have the super duper most incredible Mona Haig that's flown all the way from Norway to join us, doing some of her fantastic demonstrations. Let's have a look and see what she's doing. Here we've got the most colourful Sarah Anderson, and she is sporting our new acrylic paints. As you can see, just like Sarah herself, vibrant as anything. And now for the woman herself, Tracy Dutton, surrounded by people always, of course. Fellow crafters who are delighted by everything that she creates. Thank you to everyone who's made it to our incredible Fairy Craft Festival. Your company's been fantastic, you've all been excellent, and we've all loved having you. Thank you so much from all of us here at Lavinia.